Hello friends, this is Khushali Joshi and welcome to my channel Khushali Joshi. In last video I have posted the stuff and the information regarding CLT method. If you have still not visited that video, there is available at my channel and I will make a separate playlist for this topic, and I am going to post 4 videos regarding this topic and all are in one playlist, so you don't worry about when or how you will get it. So without wasting too much time, we are going to discuss about CLL method. The full form of CLL is Communication Language Learning. The CLL approach was developed by Charles Arthur Corinne. Charles Arthur Corinne was the person who first introduced the CLL method. Those students who are studying themselves or who are preparing themselves for CTET examination, they have might be a question from this topic, or the student who are in IITE B.Ed, same too, they have a specific mention topic CLL. So for introduction, I think that we need to recognize or we need to remember the name Charles Arthur Corinne, professor of psychology at Loyola University, Chicago. It is a language teaching approach in which students work together to develop what aspect of a language they would like to learn. Student will decide which language they would like to learn. In some schools or our current study method, we give two language, which is mother tongue and which is English language. So students will learn English language, with which it is language teaching approach in which student will work together. The entire class will work together. For what purpose? For assignment? For a project? No. For developing a English language. It is based on counseling approach in which the teacher acts as a counselor and perhaps while the learner is seen as a client or collaborate, which means teacher will become a counselor. You might have a question for MCQ, in which method teacher become a counselor. So your answer will be CLL method, communication language learning. Teacher will be a counselor and she or he will counselor and collaborate with his or her student. And from this kind of counseling, they might have focused on problems, on the needs which student face during the communication. The CLL emphasizes the sense of communication in learning group, encourage interaction as well vehicle of learning, vehicle which lead us towards our destiny. So this approach will lead us towards the learning of language. There is no syllabus or textbook to follow, and it is the students themselves who determine the concept of the lesson by meaning of meaningful conversation in which they discuss real message. As an English teacher, I will order in the class, from now onwards you guys are not allowed to use Gujarati language or Hindi language or Marathi language. It's okay if you have problem with the language, but you have to speak in English language only during my lecture. So they will discuss real message. It is not a real message. I am not giving a task that go to a market and buy something. The drama should be in English only. If the student want to ask a question, he or she have to ask the question in English only. If they will make a mistake, it's okay. As a teacher, I can improve them. But as a drama, they might have prepared themselves. But in real life, they cannot use that specific words. So this approach will help student to use communication in real life. So how this approach will work? the method natural approach. The CLL resembles the natural approach to language teaching in which a learner is not expected to speak until he has achieved some basic level of comprehension. Which means in this photo we can see that the basic concept which I would like to share with you means um, I am giving a topic like for brainstorming as well. Give me a word, specific word. Like they give me a word firecrackers. So say some lines on firecrackers, how they work, when they work, and what the thing I get from the firework. The entire essay or entire lines would be in English only. So from these kind of activity, it should be a sudden activity. Like I am not giving activity one day before. I would like to give activity at the same moment so that the students will know how to handle with thoughts. This is the main problem. We cannot think in English. We can think in our mother tongue only. When we are starting thinking in English, it becomes familiar for us. So teacher role would be a natural approach, which means student can think in English. After thinking, he or she able to speak in English as well. There are 5 stages to development in this method. Which 5 stages? Birth stage, feeling of security and belonging are established. Which means if a student make mistake, don't criticize it. Because first day, first activity, if you criticize him or her approach, the person will not able to speak anything nowadays. As the learner's ability improved, they achieved a measure of independence from the parent. Means when they improve their level, they will first day of communication they might use simple words. After the achievements of language, it is not achievement like a medal, a shield. They will achievement the language learning. They will able to speak new words from the communication barriers. Learners can speak independently. One person, one idea, so they will speak independently. The learners are secure enough to take criticism and being correct. If the person, when my arrow, the boy make any kind of mistake, his teacher will criticize him. It was not for scolding him, but it was to improve his language and being correct. The children become an adult and become the knower. Uh, there are 5 students if and there are 50 students in class. One student, one topic. His or her topic will familiar afterward for entire class. Which kind of activities we can give? Fiction stories, brainstorming, etc. If I am sharing my personal experience with you, when I want to try or when I want to teach language to students, I will give half of the story and ask them to complete entire story in English, or I am giving only one sentence of any particular story or any particular sentence from my mind and ask them to complete step by step. It will lead them to the end of the story, and they can communicate, they can think as well. And after that kind of activities, it not happen that after one activity, one brainstorming lecture, there will be a Shakespeare of English language. After the numbers of activities, they will be familiar with the English language as they are familiar with their mother tongue, and afterward they will be a good communicator as well as speaker. So this kind of approach helps teacher to communicate or to teach their students a good kind of language. These are beyond the syllabus. Don't worry about the material. I have already posted the link at description box. And bye. Have a great day to all my friends.